Good morning, student. Today is Friday, 17 July 2020. You're welcome in physics class 10th PTB, and we already have started. It's unit 11, sound, and theory we have finished, and yesterday we started the numerical problem. Yesterday I tried my best to solve actually two questions, but it was first question was very lengthy, and therefore I couldn't solve the second and third question. Today we are going to solve question number 12.2 and 12.3. I'm going to read the statement of numerical problem 12.2. Please, everybody, open your books so that you can understand the statement. If at Anarkali Bazaar, Lahore, the sound level is 80 decibel, sound level, the given data 80 decibel, what will be the intensity level of sound there? Intensity level we have to form. This I, intensity of sound, that sound whose sound level is 80, that sound's intensity we have to form. And we know that the intensity of faintest sound, that is 10 point minus 12. Already I told you that you have to learn this constant by heart. So we will use the formula. The formula we know that sound level 10 log intensity of unknown sound, intensity of faintest sound. This is a formula. So sound level 80 decibel, 10 log as it is, I as it is, 10 raised to power minus 12, the value of this. Now this 10 will shift on left hand side and it will divide 80. It will become, afterward it will become 8. Log I, here the third formula, third or second formula of the logarithm in mathematics, you have already studied it in your 9th class mathematics. So by applying the formula, log I minus log 10 raised to power minus 12. This becomes 8, and log I minus this power will come here and minus 12 log 10. When this power will come here, only we will have this log 10. So after this, log of I as it is, minus minus plus log of 10 is 1. So only 12 is there. Now 12 will shift on the left hand side, and 8 minus 12 is equal to log of I. 8 minus 12 minus 4 log of I, and now I will remain here, and this log on the right hand, it will become anti-log of minus 4. By calculator you can find the log, anti-log of minus 4, and it will be a 10 raised to power minus watt meter. This is the intensity of sound whose power, whose sound level was given 80 decibel. So now we will solve the next question. Again, everybody look at the book. Very simple question and short question. Question number 3. Statement is little longer, but question is very small. At a particular temperature, the speed of the sound in air is 330. Data V is equal to 330. Given data, the velocity is given. If the wavelength of a node is 5 centimeter, wavelength lambda is equal to 5 centimeter, and we will convert it into meter by dividing it 5 by 100. We get 0.05 meter. Now, next is calculate the frequency. We have to find simply the frequency. Is this frequency lies in the audible range of the human ear? That we have to tell the answer. I'll let it to you, because we have studied that human audible frequency range is 20 to 20,000. And now whatever the answer comes, you will reply that the answer which comes, is it audible within the audible frequency range? Now the formula, this formula you have already used practice in your previous chapter. V is equal to F lambda, and F will be equal to V lambda by rearranging the equation. Now V 330 0.05, and after simplification, when we simplify, we calculate it, the answer comes 6600, 6600 hertz. Now you reply, is it within the human audible frequency range? Yes, because 20 to 20,000 is the audible frequency range. Therefore, 6600 hertz lies within the 20 and 20,000 hertz. Thank you and God bless you. Have a nice day. Hopefully tomorrow we will see each other again. On Monday we will have the other numerical. Stay blessed, boy. Have a nice day. God bless you.